Hi again guys, so another quick tutorial from Sewing Princess. So for today's tutorial, I will try to transform this oversized blouse into this summer trendy top. So first, seam rip this part. After that, I draw a line and cut it in the upper part. And then mark to your desired length of your crop top and cut it. Then hem the bottom by folding it twice and sew it with a straight stitch. And hem the raw edges in the upper part and sew it with the zigzag stitch with an elastic. What I did is I fold the fabric once and place the elastic and sew it with the zigzag stitch, and don't forget to stretch the elastic. Now, prepare this for shirring and do it manually and don't stretch it out. And I sew it with a straight stitch with 1 inch apart. You know, shirring takes a lot of time, so I need to be patient. But in the end, it's all gonna be worth it. I promise. And also, don't forget to stretch the fabric while sewing it. Then backstitch it in the end to secure it. And then change the bobbin with the regular thread. Then use this size of elastic for the last part and sew it with a zigzag stitch. And then I cut this cord and use it to tie in the center of the top. And this is the final transformation. that's it guys. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. So if you do, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss out to my next video. Bye!